Common issues with WorldPay setup can be frustrating and time-consuming to resolve. In this guide, we will walk you through the most common issues and provide step-by-step solutions to get your WorldPay account up and running. Firstly, it is essential to ensure that your WorldPay account is properly configured. This includes verifying your business and personal details, setting up your payment processing options, and configuring your security settings. Failure to do so can result in declined transactions and lost sales. One of the most common issues with WorldPay setup is incorrect payment gateway configuration. This can be resolved by checking your payment gateway settings and ensuring that they match your WorldPay account details. It is also important to ensure that your website is properly integrated with WorldPay using the correct API keys and credentials. Another common issue is transaction declines due to security restrictions. This can be resolved by checking your security settings and ensuring that they are not too restrictive. It is also important to ensure that your customers are aware of the security checks in place and are providing the correct information to complete their transactions. Best practices for WorldPay setup include regularly checking your account settings and transaction history to ensure that everything is running smoothly. It is also essential to keep your security settings up to date and to ensure that your website is compliant with the latest security protocols. In conclusion, common issues with WorldPay setup can be easily resolved by following these step-by-step solutions. By ensuring that your account is properly configured, your payment gateway is correctly set up, and your security settings are not too restrictive, you can minimize the risk of declined transactions and lost sales. By following these best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful WorldPay setup.